Let's continue with our revision. Now we're finding an unknown term in a quadratic number pattern. So if you get such a question, always remember this, that the second differences of a quadratic pattern are constant. They're just the same. Here we have 2, 5, x, 20, right? So the first difference is 5 minus 2, that is 3. Then x minus 5, we get x minus 5. Then 20 minus x, we get 20 minus x, right? These are the first differences, which are arithmetic or linear, right? And then second difference is, this is x minus 5 minus 3. So x minus 5 minus 3, okay? And then 20 minus x minus x minus 5. These are the second differences. And then this and this are equal. So we're creating an equation using this. So we have x minus 5 minus 3, the bracket does not change anything there, and then is equal to, because these are the second differences, 20 minus x, 20 minus x minus x minus 5. Then becomes x minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 20 minus x. Then distribute your negative 1 there, minus x plus 5. Simplify this side, x minus 8 is equal to 25 minus 2x. Alright, add 2x on both sides of the equation, we have 3x. Add 8 on both sides of the equation, we have 33. Then divide by 3 on both sides of the equation, x is equal to 11. Okay,